Hi, I'm Emma. I'll show you how to bulk schedule tweets in seconds using a CSV file with Circleboom, an official X Enterprise developer. First, log into Circleboom Twitter and go to the X AI Writer for Creator section on the left menu. Select Bulk Schedule to open the bulk scheduling interface from the drop-down menu. Then upload your CSV file. You can either drag and drop the file into the upload area or click the upload button and select the file from your computer. Before uploading, make sure your CSV file follows the correct format. The file should include the proper column headers, and each row should represent one tweet. You can include tweet text, image URLs, labels, and scheduled posting times. Preparing the file correctly helps prevent scheduling errors. After that, review your imported tweets. Once the CSV file is uploaded, Circleboom shows all the tweets in a preview list. Valid tweets are clearly marked, while any invalid ones show the reason for the error. If you want to stay organized, you can also select tweets and add them to collections for easier reuse later. Then, when everything looks good, click the Schedule Post button. Circleboom will automatically schedule all valid tweets based on the posting times in your CSV file. Even hundreds of tweets can be scheduled in just a few seconds. Finally, go to the Outbox to manage your scheduled tweets. Here, you can view all your scheduled posts in the list or calendar view, check the exact date and time they'll be published, and edit or remove any tweet if needed. This gives you full control even after everything has been scheduled. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming!